How to change your gamer tag on Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your gamer tag on Minecraft. First, go to social.xbox.com/changegamertag and log in to your Microsoft account. This is the official website for changing your Xbox username. If you're playing the Bedrock version of the game, your in-game username is your Xbox gamer tag. Even the most seasoned gamer occasionally needs to change their gamer tag. Type in a new gamer tag next to your new gamer tag. Your gamer tag can be between 1 and 12 characters, including spaces. It cannot begin with a number. Take your time and try different wordings to get a good Xbox gamer tag. Now click Check Availability. If you see a message saying the gamer tag is taken, you will need to modify it until it's accepted. Then click on Claim It. This will confirm the gamer tag change. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.